I'm going off keto over Christmas. So what's the easiest way to transition back into the keto diet so I get into ketosis fast?
Well, so you're saying you have a good plan to go off and then go back on. If it was me, and guess what? We are doing that this year. My plan is to take exogenous ketones, a ketone supplement, during the time I'm off, right? I want my body to still sense and process ketones.
Okay.
As a way to kind of keep those enzymatic processes around. And then after, when we're done, right, we have a definite end time. We are going to fast for 36 hours. Is that what we agreed on?
36 hours, correct.
So we're going to do a 36-hour fast to kind of use up all of the glycogen stores. And we actually talked about this, that we're going to up our activity levels during the time when we are off of keto, so that we're consuming more glucose.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do just some light, steady state cardio. So maybe I'll, we have an elliptical and a bike in the basement. So I may go down and just watch a show or read a book and just do some light, steady state cardio, just to kind of help my body process the extra holiday treats, right?